second person. Let's have from Manila Bulletin, Robert Recantina.
Hi Ashley, nandito
Hello
ako sa
po.
Dunkin Donuts.
Kita
So,
ko kita.
my question ko is, as you start 2013 hanggang sa ngayon, how has Ashley evolved as an actress?
Siguro, masasabi ko naman po na nag-improve din talaga ako. And I think mas confident po ako ngayon sa acting ko compared before. And siguro, masasabi ko lang na kapag may mga ganyan po, kapag may mga projects po ako or may mga heavy scenes, before, natatakot ako and ang daming doubts po sa utak ko. Pero ngayon, mas na-excite ako and mas challenge ko yung sarili ko kung hanggang saan ba yung kaya ko ipakita.
Okay, so, dito sa anthology mo, hands-on ka dito sa pagpili ng mga concept sa Viva One.
Ay, hindi po. Parang sila na din po yung bahala doon. And sobrang hindi naman po ako nabigo kasi sobrang na-balance din po nila yung mga genres na ipapakita na kumbaga showcase po talaga yung flexibility ko po sa acting.
Congratulations!
Salamat po.
Maraming salamat. And you know what? Add ko lang, di ba, last na naman person si Sir. Lahat sila dito, nakita yung growth mo talaga. From, you know, when you were starting, to figuring it out where you're gonna go next, to now, na meron ka ng sarili mong originals, which is this anthology called Ashton. Di ba? Guys, parang pakalaman natin. Di ba? I'm sure your family, your fans, all of the people that love you are so proud of where you are at the moment. Kaya naman, guys, that's it. That's a wrap for our question and answer portion. Now is the best time to ready your cameras para sa ating photo opportunity with our Mutia. Ash, can I request you to please stand over here para sa ating photo opportunity. Ayan. Good job, Ashley. That was a good run. Congratulations, Ashley. Sige, picture muna tayo. Ash, how about you look to your right first? Ayan. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile, and perfect. Center naman tayo, Ashley. Alright. 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile, and how about to your left, please? Last one. 1, 2, 3, smile. Amazing. Okay, palakpakan natin. That concludes our Viva One Originals. Ashton, thank you to our esteemed guests, media partners, and of course, the brilliant minds behind this anthology project. Again, do not forget